Hello everyone, I am Upasana Taneja. So today our question is, what is 0 raised to power 0? What is the value when you take 0 as base and you write power 0, then what do you get? What is the value? This is our question today, and this is very interesting question, right? And for this question we need to know two things. What are those two things? That first thing is, suppose I write 3 raised to power 0. What will you say? What is the value of something raised to power 0? It is 1. I proved this in last video, right? What if I say what is 4 raised to power 0? You will say 1, right? So that means something raised to power 0. Something raised to power 0 is 1, right? Okay. And now another thing. What if I say write 0 raised to power 1? You will write 0. What is 0 raised to power 2? 0, right? That means you are multiplying 0 3 times, you are getting 0, right? So these are two concepts. Now we have 0 raised to power 0. So this 0 said, the bottom one, the base one, this said the answer should be 0, because it says that whatever the power but the base is 0, then answer is 0, okay? And this 0 said the power, this says that answer should be 1. So there is no common thing between them. There is no common solution. So that is why this thing 0 raised to power 0 is not defined. So whenever you get 0 raised to power 0, you will always write the answer is not defined. Okay. So I hope you understood this. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for Maths Olympiad questions. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.